Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in PUBG. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch PUBG game like me and move here in right corner and you will see this gear. Click on it, move here to settings and you will see here basic. In this first section, display mode, click this and switch on borderless. Move here down, choose resolution from your monitor like me, on lobby FPS, lock this on 60. In-game FPS from unlimited, move here to custom. Move here down on max FPS, set like me 60 FPS. Move here to universal brightness for all maps, from enable switch this disable and leave this on 50%. After that go here apply, move here back on advanced, click on it and you will see render scale from 120, move this on 70. On camera fall, leave this on 80. On anti-aliasing from ultra, switch this on very low. Post-process from high, move on very low. Shadows from high, move on very low. Textures, leave this high. Effects, switch this off. Foliage, switch this off. View distance from ultra, move this on very low. Sharpen, leave this on. V-Sync, turn this off. Motion blur, disable this. And DirectX version from DirectX 11, move to DirectX 12. After all these settings, go here apply. And you have the best FPS settings in PUBG. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.